Imagine walking into a kitchen that feels as spacious as it is stylish, where your favorite dishes are always within reach, and every inch of space is maximized to its full potential. Now, picture another kitchen, sleek, organized, and timelessly elegant, with everything neatly tucked away behind closed doors. Which one resonates with you more? First up, let's talk about open shelving. This trendy option has been taking the design world by storm, and for good reason. Open shelves can make your kitchen feel more spacious and airy, especially if you're working with a smaller area. They're perfect for showing off your prized cookbook collection or that set of vintage plates you inherited from Grandma. Plus, having everything in plain sight means you'll never have to play that frustrating game of, "Where did I put the salt?" again. But before you start tearing down your cabinet doors, let's consider some potential drawbacks. Open shelves require a bit more upkeep. Dust and grease can accumulate quickly in a busy kitchen, so you'll need to be prepared for more frequent cleaning. And if you're not the most organized person, your shelves could quickly become a cluttered mess that's more eyesore than eye candy. Now let's shift gears and talk about closed cabinetry. These traditional workhorses of the kitchen offer ample storage space and keep all your less than Instagram-worthy items hidden from view. Closed cabinets protect your dishes and appliances from dust and grease, which means less cleaning for you. They're also great for maintaining a clean, minimalist look if that's your style. However, closed cabinetry isn't without its downsides. In smaller kitchens, too many cabinets can make the space feel cramped and claustrophobic. And let's be honest, we've all lost a Tupperware lid or two in the depths of a deep cabinet, never to be seen again. So, what's the solution? Well, like many things in life, the answer might lie in balance. Many homeowners are opting for a mix of open shelving and closed cabinetry. This combination offers the best of both worlds. Some display space for your favorite pieces, with plenty of hidden storage for the not-so-pretty essentials. When deciding what's right for your kitchen, consider your lifestyle. Are you a neat freak who loves to organize, or do you prefer to hide the chaos behind closed doors? Think about your storage needs, your cleaning habits, and of course, your budget. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. The best choice is the one that works for you and your home. Whether you go for the openness of shelving, the practicality of cabinets, or a stylish mix of both, your kitchen should reflect your personality and meet your needs. If this video helped you make a choice, or if you found it interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, leave us a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more design tips and inspiration coming your way soon. Thanks for watching.